In the previous class we talked about keyboard as a part of computer. Today we will be explaining the printer as a part of computer. A printer is an output device and hardware device of the computer system, used for printing documents from the computer. In simple language, a computer stored document is a soft copy, and after that soft copy is printed, it becomes a hard copy. With the use of a printer, you can print anything kept on the computer, like photos, text documents, and so many more. To print something from the printer, first, you have to connect the printer to the computer, then after that, you can print from the printer. Printers are used to print texts, figures and symbols on a sheet of paper. It is also used as copying machines. The printer is a very useful part of the computer.